Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we've fitted our StarLine Platinum package on this VW Caddy. Customer's a bit paranoid about his tools being stolen, so we've used this upgrade system. How it basically works, if you use the original remote control, lock it, doors will lock, windows will rise and the system will come on. It uses a Bluetooth ID tag, so obviously when you come back and disarm it, if it doesn't see this tag, it will trigger the alarm. So what we do is we'll disarm it and then we'll arm it, and if we hit the arm button again, we turn on the thing called a proximity sensor. So if someone goes close to it, it'll give us a pre-warn. So we'll do that now. So it's very straightforward. What it does is obviously if someone's lingering close to it, it will give us a pre-warn. We can have two options. So obviously if you're on a busy road and you don't want this pre-warning, just arm it in a normal way and the proxy will be switched off. To reinstate the proxy, just hit the arm button again. Proxy's on. What this product has as well, has tilt sensor, shock sensor, motion sensor, comes with an app, and you can also use your phone as a Bluetooth tag. There are lots more features on this product, but we've just done a quick video just to show you the proximity sensor. If you want to see some more info on our Platinum, we've got a few more videos on YouTube. Hope you found this video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company, 028 906 0478. Thank you, bye bye.